All right, today we're going to talk about percentage problems. I want to create this video for you guys to help you guys with the worksheet or on Khan Academy. So this will work for either one. Feel free to use the Khan Academy videos already, but these will help you hopefully with the problems, and they're just a reminder of what we've already done. So let's get started here. So we're first solving percent problems. Now remember how we solve these is that we work left to right. So we start on the left side of the sentence, work our way right, and fill in what we know. So we're translating what's here in like English into a math language. So remember when we talk about what number, that means we put a variable there. So we put maybe x. Is means equal. 50%, we cannot use a percentage, so we go 0.50. Move that decimal over twice, convert it to a decimal. Of means to multiply, and 30. So x is equal to 0.50 times 30. So to solve for x, we go 30 times 0.50. And when we add it, you can see here, move the decimal over twice, and x is equal to 15. And that makes sense. Half of 30 is 15. So we're done there. Let's do a new problem. What number is 40% of 25? So what number is a variable? G. Is means equals 40%. Move that decimal over twice because we divide by 100. Is 0.40. Of means to multiply 25. So 25 times 0.4 or 0.40. So they're the same thing. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. Move that decimal over once and you get G equal to 10. Done. Next one. What number is 80% of 80? So x for what number? Is means equal 80%. Move that decimal over twice. You get 0.8 or 0.80. Of means to multiply 80. So we go 80 times 0.8, 64. Move that decimal over once, and you get x is equal to 64. All right, these problems are a little bit different. Remember, the what number or what percent is in a different place. So here we go, left to right still. 40 is 30% of x. 40 is 30% of multiply what number? X. Here we divide by 0.3, divide by 0.3. So you get 40 divided by 0.3. Move that decimal over once. Move the inside decimal over once. You get 1, 3, 3, 9. And you're going to see it keeps on repeating. So 133.3 repeating is equal to x. Here, 6 is 25. Move that decimal over twice. 0.25 of what number? Again, let's use the best one in the book, G. So we divide by 0.25, divide by 0.25, 6 divided by 0.25. Don't forget about your decimal place. 1, 2, 1, 2, you get 600. 25 can go into 60 twice. That gives it 50. 10, drop down your 0. 25 can go into 100 4 times, and G is equal to 24. All right, now let's talk about tax, dinner bills, and stuff like that. So your dinner bill is $20. The tax rate is 7%. So what is the total post-tax? Well, remember, we need to figure out what is 7% of your dinner bill, because your dinner bill is 7% of your bill. So we go 20 times 0.07. Remember, we got to move that decimal over twice, fill the open spot with a 0. So 0.07 equals T for tax. 20 times 0.07, 041, move that decimal over twice, is $1.40. Now that's what my tax is equal to. So I add that number to my 20. 20 plus 1.04. And you get $21.04. So that's how you do a tax type. Other things that could work with this would be tax, tip. Those would be two major things that you can do with these types. So just read the problem and see what can I apply this type of thing to. Another type of percentage problem would be a commission problem. A car salesman makes a commission of 12% of the sale. If he sells a car for $4,000, what commission does he make? Well, he gets 12% of the $4,000. And so if he gets 12% or 0.12 of the $4,000, that is equal to his commission. So we go 4,000 times 12%. And you see that we get, move that decimal over twice, $480. And that is what his commission is equal to, $480. So that's how we solve those. Yeah. So if you are on Khan Academy, feel free. If you get some of those things wrong, just guess and check to a certain degree. See if you can solve it. If you get it wrong, that's okay. I just want to see that you can try to get 5 in a row correct. If you're doing the worksheet, do what you can there. See if you can solve them. See if you can make sense of them. We'll go on and check them when we come back. All right. I look forward to seeing you guys, and I will see you soon.